Resolution adopted by the General Assembly. December 22, 2015. On the report of the Second Committee A. 70-470 Add. 1. 70-186. Consumer Protection. The General Assembly. Recalling Economic and Social Council Resolution 1981-62 of 23 July 1981, in which the Council requested the Secretary-General to continue consultations on consumer protection with a view to developing a set of general guidelines for consumer protection, taking into account, in particular, the needs of developing countries. Recalling also its Resolution 38-147 of 19 December 1983 on consumer protection. Noting Economic and Social Council Resolutions 1984-63 of 26 July 1984 and 1999-7 of 26 July 1999 and General Assembly Resolution 39-248 of 9 April 1985. Recalling its Resolution 65-142 of 20 December 2010 on international trade and development. Taking note of the mandate given to the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development at its 13th session, held in Doha from 21 to 26 April 2012, to conduct research and analysis and assist all member states, in particular developing countries and countries with economies in transition, in developing and implementing competition and human rights policies, promoting the exchange of best practices and conducting peer-reviewed reviews of the implementation of such policy. Recalling the guidelines set out in the United Nations Millennium Declaration too, particularly in the context of the development goals set out therein, as confirmed in the 2005 World Summit Outcome Document 3 and the Outcome Document of the 2010 High-Level Plenary Meeting of the General Assembly on the Millennium Development Goals 4, especially those related to development and poverty eradication, and the Sustainable Development Goals.